Good evening, everyone. As always, I'm your dude LL here, and today I'm going to be reviewing this application known as HoneyGain, which I mentioned on a previous video at least once. And what it basically does is that you can download this application on your PC or on your mobile devices on Android and iOS. And basically, it starts to sharing your internet bandwidth. And every milestone of, megabytes that you have shared, you are basically getting paid in dollars, which later can be cashed out to PayPal or in Bitcoin as well. And there has been obviously numerous videos about this in YouTube, FUD, and also like real legit videos. They also have quite a lot of reviews in Trustpilot. And oh yeah, they do have a $5 sign-up bonus. The minimum withdrawal is $20. And you can sign up basically under me and get that $5 sign-up bonus once you do so. And I have now downloaded this on my PC. If you want to be extra secure, people may have reservations about these types of applications in general. So I recommend just like most safest option is just to get an old phone and basically, or old computer that you're not using for anything specific, and just install it there. And there's two ways to obviously make money with this. One is through the referral systems, and one is through basically grinding it on yourself. And here they go breaking down a bit about the security and other aspects of this whole system. And, what is exactly your internet being used of. And, businesses across the World Wide Web are having to worry about location-based restrictions and censorships. As some people know, there are a lot of data plans which are super expensive in certain parts of the world, or have many limitations, or not fast enough. And these types of services are like the way to basically tackle that type of a thing. And here you can basically, decide like how much you're basically going to be making a month. Obviously, and then there's this content delivery system which you can basically cater in as well. So there's a couple of metrics. Last time we talked about this, there was not this content delivery system. But let's now kind of like jump into the whole dashboard here. So here's my dashboard, and basically I just cashed out yesterday. I've used this as a kind of like a referral network, obviously, because I have people who are interested in making money. I always get people interested in joining these types of things. And there's like, here's the downloads for Linux, iOS, Mac OS, Android, and Windows. So apparently not just Windows. So correction on that. And basically you can see like your daily earnings here, what's happening. You can also see like your devices. So this is my, current PC, which I'm using, which I just connected like 5 minutes ago. And it's very, very simple here. And here you can see your referrals, how many people you have brought in. I have brought quite a lot of people here. And then there's the transaction history, the payments that I have received. So, over the course of like less than 2 years, I have made around almost $100 to referrals alone. I think that's pretty nice, like pocket change there, like nice side income. In the beginning, I was mining bit myself, and I'm starting to probably mine again after I'm getting a more of a burner phone. I'm probably using my new Apple phone for this. And then there's obviously the jump task, which allows you to get 50% bonus on your like earnings and stuff. And no device is actively sharing, so whenever your device is sharing or not, you're basically able to see that here on the top. And then there's like profile settings and things like that. And it's a very like simple process. Once you have downloaded on the computer, it will show up as this type of thing, showing you the content delivery. Is it enabled? Are you in queue? And your HoneyGain balance as of right now, and everything like regarding that. So and as a reminder, I have made a video about similar types of services, and maybe we will be doing individual reviews on all of those in the upcoming days and weeks, because right now we are in a kind of like a very interesting spot in the markets and everything. So the bear thing might happen, and you want to like look into, especially right now when the crises are happening all around the world, you want to like accumulate money much as possible, side income, anything you can basically get your hands on. And you want to really explore a lot of different options that you have. And HoneyGain might be one of those legit things that you can basically delve into and make some, decent income. Maybe, if you make a $20 a month, you can like cover your internet costs with that alone or anything type of else. So HoneyGain is definitely something that I recommend looking into. And as I said earlier about the potential security issues, I've read some things, but I've never been like hacked or, you know, I have never seen like anything malicious happening. So I don't know if it's just FUD. But if you're really worried about your computer safety, recommending doing a lot more research, obviously. And then, as always, you know, download it on a burner phone, like old Android phone, which you're not using. And it basically you're going to be making more money than, you know, keeping it charged, basically. The application on a phone doesn't really use a lot of electricity. So it's pretty, like, you know, sustainable and at the same time at that point. But that's pretty much everything else I have to add about HoneyGain. It's paying there. I've showed the payments. And you have the options of cashing out once you get $20. And the options are through Jump Tasks, PayPal, and Bitcoin. And I think Bitcoin actually has like a smaller fee than PayPal, for instance. But thanks for watching, guys. I will be talking to you on a later video. And if you have any questions, let me know in the comments section. Thanks for watching. I'll see you soon.